It's a club. We were clubbing, you know? At the club.
You're gonna be like, Styles, is there something you tell me?
Not exactly your type of club.
What if it was, Dad?
Well, Dad, there's a conversation that we... You're not Lydia?
Oh. Okay.
Lydia?
She is terrified.
Is anyone gonna get me a coach?
Oh my God! What the?
Sick girl, roaming around, totally naked. Now, it's supposed to get below 40 degrees tonight. I don't know about you, but the last time it was that cold, and I was running around naked,
What?
I lost a testicle to exposure.
What?
Ouch!
Who just announces that?
The best
The
cake.
coach.